What's up, guys? Shamil here, new water glass, working on a GTR. Got the moldings off, got the cowling off, so I'm gonna be cutting it with not spider, WRD orange bat. These cars here, this is original glass, but there's Nissan. You can see here, VIN window, I guess. Even the factory one doesn't match, it doesn't align properly. With these cars, aftermarket, you will not line it up properly. It's gonna look like this because this window is so small. It's just ridiculous. They should have had it bigger. So just gotta watch out for. Tell the customer before you work on these that it's gonna be a problem with that, or show him this video because they never align properly. All right, I got George behind me over here.
What's up?
Yeah, there's George right there.
Apex VIN window.
Yeah, he's just watching, make sure I do everything well. I show him how to do one windshield. Now he thinks he's a supervisor. Anyway, let's set up the orange bat and cut it out.
Woke up this morning feeling better than my usual. My clock radio saying today's gonna be beautiful. Peeping through my blinds, I see it's not a cloud in sight. There's something that means tonight you gotta look out for the rowdy type. But all that means to me, these chicks gonna be down tonight. I'm down to fight, but I ain't out looking for clowns, alright? Roman candle calls it, yo, kick off your sandals, dog. Put on your kicks, we going out tonight, is what it sounded like. So now I'm reaching for the cleanest tee that's wrinkle free. My Ella Jeans fresh out the laundry are really looking mean. And all I need to match them backwards fit a cap to make it complete. Crispy constructs will definitely make the scene. Prattles hit me up like, yo, your style and sound is hot, but everybody needs a break and you've been working round the clock. Plus 3 from Russia found a spot wall and mommy's hot drinks on me. Not literally, but they're taking body shots. I'm a rider, you know I do my own thing. I'm a provider. Oh yeah, I got money to bring, but I'm a product that everybody wants to hear. Everybody grab your beers, put your hands up.
All right, so here's a glass. Here's a car with no glass.
Yo, I gotta wear some shorts. Fuck this shit.
Come on, take off those pants. Put some shorts on. All right. So what do you think about an orange bat, George, as a mechanic?
It was pretty cool.
Yeah?
It was pretty cool.
And no damage on the car. I like orange bat. I like Spider 3. I like Raptor. They all work. It's just whichever you prefer. Raptor, cool thing about it, it's electric motor. You just put it wherever you gotta go and pump. You don't have to pump it. It just pulls it. And you could use it with a metal line. These you only use with the fiber line. With the metal line, it's even faster cut, but you gotta make sure you have the protector on the dashboard. See how here on some spot I didn't put it? Because it's a fiber line, it will go. The metal line, it will cut right through it if you miss it. It's like blade, it's sharp.
Right.
Yep. But other than that, well, any job you gotta be careful. But here we go.
How many of them pull from both sides, like the orange bat?
There's an orange bat, there's a GT Tools Kong, but it's bigger. On a car like this, it will be awkward to use because it's like 3 sizes of that. So if you got a big truck that you got to take a windshield out and a lot of glue, because you could use a very fat line with it and pull it. And it pulls 2 at the same time. There's a crank, you pull it, it pulls 2 sides at the same time. Yeah, this one you switch. All right, here we go. Look at the factory bead. That's just, what is that? Yeah, that's a, look at the factory bead. Come on, factory Nissan, what are you guys doing over there?
Just Nissan.
All right, guys, so here we go. Glass is replaced. It's a little dirty, gotta clean it up. PGW brand, and there's a VIN right there. As you can see, try to get it as factory set as possible, but it's not possible. So that's how it's always gonna look with these cars. So here we go. Glass is replaced. GTR. It was cut out with the orange bat, Express 30 urethane, PGW windshield, and here we go. Alright guys, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.